She writes poetry. They live in Madrid. He enjoys playing guitar. The sun rises in the east. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. My mother teaches mathematics. The store opens at 8 a.m. We have dinner at 7 p.m. every day. I read books for leisure. Cats love to play with yarn. Students attend classes in the morning. She speaks French fluently. Birds fly in the sky. He practices piano daily. The earth revolves around the sun. My brother collects vintage postcards. She wears glasses for reading. They visit their grandparents on weekends. The museum displays ancient artifacts. He jogs in the park every morning. She prefers tea over coffee. My father watches the news every evening. Plants need sunlight to grow. The library offers free access to books. The team practices every Wednesday and Friday. She likes to draw and paint. The train arrives on time. My sister studies biology at university. The recipe calls for 2 eggs and flour. He sends emails instead of letters. The computer runs on electricity. She cares for stray animals. The phone rings often. I listen to music while working. They clean their house every weekend. The radio plays soft music. He feeds the birds in the garden. The film starts at 9 o'clock. She brushes her teeth twice a day. The supermarket sells fresh vegetables. The bus stops at every corner. He believes in hard work and dedication. The cat sleeps on the sofa. The gardener waters the plants. She goes to the gym 3 times a week. The mail arrives in the afternoon. The teacher explains the lesson clearly. He enjoys reading science fiction. The baby cries when hungry.